Today is Monday, August the 24th, about 9:30 in the morning. I'm gonna give these ladies a feed. I think I'm gonna go with I'm gonna go ahead and throw 3 tablespoons of Alaska fish and 7 of the flour, Alaska more bloom. And it, I was gonna go straight more bloom, but everything is looking hungry. I really should give them a dry back, but they're all hungry. And I'm not supposed to get any rain until Thursday, so we'll just give them a dry back. I got more issues with Charlie. I don't know if she's gonna make it, Grummies. It looks like this one's the next one to go right here, but boom. What was it? Saturday morning. It was perfect. Saturday afternoon, it looked like this. It's sucking. You can see I've been doing some amputations. Once there, trying to just mend stuff. It is either coming from cicadas. I've done killed a couple cicadas, or a worm that attacks soybeans. Giant soybean field right behind that tree line. Not very far at all. I believe it is definitely a bug that is in the main trunk line. When I cut that one off, it could be a combination of shit, I just don't know, Grimmies. When I cut that one off, I split it. And it had a split on the underside of the branch, which is what cicadas do. And they lay their eggs. And it cuts the vascular system off. The branch dies, it falls to the ground. The eggs hatch and go into the soil, but the eggs must be very, 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 very small. I could not see any, but I did see where the vascular system got choked off. So I just don't know. I really don't know. I'm just gonna keep taking fucking body parts off until it's no longer worth it, and go from there. I'm gonna pick up some BT tonight. I'm picking moths out of my shit. Killed a moth in this one this morning, like it really needs help fucking getting killed. Yeah. Miss Kay's Rockamelon Haze is fucking rocking. That's all I got to say about her. Shoot, I gotta pull out a tape measure. She is blowing the hell up, man. Blowing up. Yeah, looking a little hungry. Looking a little hungry. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed them. Like I said, they could use a dry back, but they're also hungry, and I'll give them a dry back. Got plenty of predators going on here. Looks like a good bug got a bad bug right there. I got plenty of little. Come on right here, buddy. I got plenty of jumping spiders in my plants. There he is. I got plenty of jumping spiders in here, so I'm not going to spray anything that's going to kill them. I'm just going to go get some damn BT. Prepare for the caterpillars. Probably going to see some night hunt videos with my UV headlamp. Had a couple moths fly out of here when I shook it this morning. This peyote form is, rather dense. Plenty of places for bugs to hide. Caterpillars are my worst. So we're going to give it some BT this time around. And the hell was it? It's going to be BT for a while. Then Dr. Zymes to fight off the powdery mildew. Alright, let me get this damn Alaska Fish and Alaska Bloom going here. It is really going to knock. You wait, I'll show you. That shit requires a lot. What are we seeing now? It's been setting 7.02. You wait until I throw that damn Alaska Fish and Alaska More Bloom in there. I'll be back in a flash. That is a hell of a drop. 2.3. It is going to take a lot of pH up to get that sumbitch up to 6.5. Oh my goodness, back in a flash. Okay, dokie. I'm gonna roll with that. 6.36, I can live with that. Now I started off just using 1 tablespoon per gallon outdoor container plants. And this actually says apply every 3 weeks. Not for cannabis. My plants are hungry as fuck. I mean, I've been given 2 tablespoons per gallon every 7 to 10 days. So, take it as you will. Shrubs, vines, 2 tablespoons per gallon. That's the More Bloom. Gotta kind of play it by ear, Grumpies. Pay attention to your plants. I wish I knew what the hell was wrong with this one. Whew. Alright. I'm gonna get these kids all fed up. I'm gonna let them dry out for a couple days, I guess. Give them a 2-day dry back, maybe. Got rain coming in Thursday. The little cucumbers don't look like much, but they've been steadily pumping them out. I've had cucumbers all summer long. Need to pick these now. That little bitty thing can't handle but so many at once. Got 4 of them on here that need whacked. They're still going. Oh, let's go over here and look at the rest of this shit real quick. Jalapenos are doing all right. My cassava's jumping on up there. I'm just letting this okra just finish out on the plant. Let it dry back. I got plenty of okra. And I'll keep those, let them dry right there on the plant. And I'll take them down sometime this winter here and hang them up somewhere for seeds. Little jalapenos. Kind of depressed about all of it. Goddamn bugs have been destroying me. Almost hit this shit with some BT tonight too. The Captain Jack's dead bug took care of the caterpillars for right now, but I'm gonna hit them with some damn BT. Bell peppers are trying again. Yep, there's a couple, there's a little one coming on. And get a few more bell peppers. I don't know about this one though. Ugly ass damn thing. Poor broccolis and cauliflower getting the shit beat out of them by the storm. Bugs getting on them. I sprayed these summiches too. Of course, it all got knocked all washed off with the rain. It rained that same night. I hit them with a damn BT too. I'm gonna BT everything tonight. What the hell with it? And me little autoflower. She looking over tape for what she is. A little autoflower. Oh hell, grummies. I'm getting my ass handed to me from all angles. Just gonna keep my head up and keep kicking. Have a fantastic day. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.